Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you like our trip to Paris so far. If you haven't seen part 1, I'm gonna put the link down in the description below. And today we keep walking through the streets of Paris, and we actually found a very lively Parisian style market where you can find just about anything, all the foods that you want. You can buy fresh fish, fresh meat, your breakfast, your bread, your clothes. I mean, it's very convenient if you live in the city, so you don't have to go to a supermarket. So we're gonna take you through the entire market today, and then walk all the way to Place de la Bastille. Hope you enjoy this one. Like and subscribe to support the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.
The toilet. How do they use this? You need to pay. Don't use. What if you need to do it?
Well, there's a lot of people pee on the streets.
What about for female?
At home. In your local Starbucks.
I don't know if Starbucks here you can use it or not.
Okay.
We're crossing the red. Oh wow, okay. It's a less fancy market than the Aix-en-Provence one. Whoa. This is some very cheap stuff. $2, $6, €6, €2. So this is actually where people shop. Oh wow, there's fruits over there.
That's good.
An eyebrow shaving thing from here. Looks like they'll have it, and they also have your thing, the deodorant. Well, no, you cannot. We're flying. Hello. Oh, those are meats and fish. Oh, well, you can get the oyster right here. It's very fishy. It's really everything. Is this rose? How much is this? 50
per kilo.
A little over 2 pounds, I think. Oh, here's the price. So 2 small ones are $4.50. So it's not necessarily cheap, is it? I don't think so. Oh, this. I like the melon. Express and Moulin. Oh. Again, they're selling the hat. Hey, they're selling wine here too. Oh, jeez. Okay. There's the Hakfok book sample. You want sample any? Foie.
That's
Right
where
there.
close to
What do you mean? That's cheap. That's just pate. What is this? This is pate? Is it just pate? Look at the mushroom, so big. Wow. It really feels like this is where people shop. This is where people shop. This is so big. Wow. This is a Sunday activity or weekend? Oh, this one. Hey, cannoli. Another one. There's the price. Oh wow. This looks pretty good. Ratatouille. Ah. Oh wow, look at how big this is. We're like, I thought we're already done, but there's like another whole area over there. Look at the way they put it. I feel like we're never gonna be done here. So this is certainly not just for tourists, right? This is like we're a local shop. Because they're not looking for. I have to say yes. Beef bourguignon. Oh, that's not famous for Bahia. What's some posters? Vintage style. So 150 for a head of salad. Is that right? 150 for a head of salad. That's not bad. What is that one?
Bonjour, messieurs, dames.
No, it's not a concombre. Mohawk. Wow, how big is it here? So this is all organic? Wait, what's going on here? Oh, it fell? This is like, what, 200 vendors? No, more than that. It doesn't end. Hold on. They're kind of selling the same thing. Yeah, the pie. And then they sell the lentils and then grains.
Chicken there is 11 euros.
For one? For a whole chicken?
I think it was 20 at the other.
I guess, yeah. Is this like the whole plate for this price, or they just put it there? Wait, how much is salmon right now? Oh, it's expensive here. The salmon, maybe it's fresh. I think it's higher than the supermarket price. Supermarket price 2 years ago. I think, whoa, I want to see when does this place end? Oh, I know that thing. Hey, hey, lavender. I'm good. I'm very satisfied with the things we just had. How much is here? Ooh, he's seasoning the chicken now. He just seasoned the chicken. Ah, we're finally coming to an end. Oh, so this is just the. Hey, hold on. This is the metro.
Yep.
Which station is it? Oh, so there's a metro station, and there's a park here. Whew. It took us 10 or 12 minutes just go kind of like straight one end to the other, and then we didn't even shop. We didn't even shop anything.
Good stuff. Fresh.
No, it's regular price, I think. Hey, let's go to room made. Oh. This one? This is the park, no?
Yeah.
That looks kind of not too small.
I mean, long.
Yeah, it is very long. I think it's the market is taking part of the park, and then do we need to go back a little bit left? Eh, you can see someone's kitchen. Oh, he's eating there.
Turn left on this street.
Hey, that's a Moxie. Wait, is this a Moxie? Oh, this Moxie is the one next to Gare de Lyon on the. I don't know if it's the one. It feels kind of far. We walked all this long from one hotel to this one. Is that the same Franprix? Same as the hotel price. Is it a buffet? It's such a nice day.
It is.
This is the good weather to come to Paris, yeah. Because in the summer it's too hot and there's less AC, a lot less AC. But this is just in the morning. Another metro.
No, this is the boulevard au marché.
This is not the same metro station, is it?
No, c'est chemin vert.
Doesn't feel like we walked that far. What is chemin? Chemin. Chemin is a road?
Chemin is like it's like a little road.
Another one. It's not alley.
What is
How many words are there to describe road? It's like avenue, boulevard.
You can probably take this.
Go down that way?
This little
How
cute
little is it?
Paris street.
Are you sure it's cute?
Oh, it's cute.
We haven't walked that many cute ones. Those are all just standard ones. But yeah, look at the blue sky. Yeah. That's where everybody lives. You know? Not everybody lives in these old looking ones. Eh, is this closed? Yeah, another bakery closed for today, or is it just today maybe? Oh, that's a cute coffee shop, but looks like it's closed.
Yes, it is. Like a Japanese coffee.
Yes.
Boba too.
Oh, that looks very minimalist, very Paris-like. I like this one. Mm-hmm.
Very different. A lot more.
Less colorful.
Yeah, the architecture is different. They were going to continue on this street for a while.
Just keep walking on the street?
Yep.
What is this? Looks like some sort of department La Seine.
De la Seine.
That's the river.
Yeah.
Le Petit Italien. So just keep going here.